Okay, market update for May 2024. Here's the deal. I'm going to call this a tale of two markets. We have some really interesting stats that came out today. Why a tale of two markets? Let me tell you, it appears to be a buyer's market at first glance. Given interest rates are high, inventory is high, buyers have a lot more time and choices. And so what that leads to as a buyer's agent is that we're able to negotiate a lot harder for our clients, and most clients are not necessarily paying full price. They're getting concessions. Now, here's the other side of it. In the last 2 weeks, I've had two buyers in multiple offer situations, both one with considerable amount of money over the list price, full appraisal waiver, plus the buyer paying for all the closing costs. It felt like 2021 all over again. And in the same week, I've got sellers that their properties have been sitting for 90 days now, and we're getting showings, but we're not getting offers. And we're seeing this a lot. Buyers are visiting properties multiple times to make a decision because there's a lot of choices, and because affordability is a serious issue with the rates the way they are. Plus the home prices are high. So if you'll remember, quick recap, in April, sales were up 33%, inventory was up, everything was up. Median price was up 6%. So listen to what has happened in May. The median price was up 11.6% compared to May of 2023. That is huge, y'all. That's a big gain. And which means if April was up 6%, then we gained a lot from April to May. So that tells me there's more activity. We have 40% more listings. So like I said, appears to be a buyer's market, about 6.2 months of inventory. And I would venture to say there's more than that because there's a lot on the off-market channels. Our pending sales are up 6% compared to May of last year. I think that's huge. Obviously, more people are jumping back into the market. And our average list to close price is 95%, which is good because it shows exactly what I said earlier. Buyers aren't necessarily having to offer full price, or they're negotiating during the option period for a better deal. So really interesting market. I would say there's no clear advantage as a buyer or seller right now. I would say it's very contingent on the property condition, how it's priced, and obviously how it's positioned in the market. Because like I said, I've got some buyers under contract that are about to close that are 40 or 50K below the list price. I've got a few buyers under contract that are 40 to 50K above the list price. And then I have listings that are getting a ton of activity, contracts really quickly, and some that are just sitting. It's a flippin' roller coaster, y'all. So buckle up. There is a lot of opportunity on either side if you have the right strategy. And that's always the key. What is your strategy? What are your goals? How patient are you? How bad do you want it? What are your needs? And really, those are the kinds of things that I love to dial into with my clients so that we can really create a streamlined process that will meet your goals. I'm excited because this market, as frustrating as it's been, as an agent, as a listing agent, even as a buyer's agent, it's also extremely exciting because there's a lot of opportunity out there. And, it doesn't matter how dark the cloud is, there's always a silver lining.